This is just a quick video on lift springs. If you're planning on replacing your lift springs, we recommend you guys to buy the part from the dealer and original, because we replaced this one right here like 3 years ago and the lift spring already broke. As you can see right here, it broke from the top lift. So we bought this part in the dealer, but we bought the aftermarket part. We bought this lift spring for around 450. I'm not exactly sure how much the original part cost, but I recommend you guys to just buy the original if you don't want to go through these problems. This is a Freightliner Century, but the actual part is only 3 years old. We don't use this truck like off-road or anything. We just do it long hauls on the regular freeways, highways. So this is just my advice. If you don't want to go through these problems, just get the original and get it done with. So thanks for watching.